I plug it into my iPad and then plug it into the outlet. And as soon as I plug it in, a sign comes on my screen that says this device is not compatible. I'm thrown off because it looks like my charger. It's the same color as my charger, but it's not been authorized by the manufacturer. And because it hasn't been authorized by the manufacturer, it doesn't have the capacity to charge me up. And too many of you are letting illegal people plug into you who have not been authorized by the manufacturer, and you don't understand why they're draining you, because that's not who God assigned to your life.